Ever wondered how tiny code projects can lead to big earnings? Today, you'll uncover the secrets to scaling small code projects into profitable ventures. Let's jump in. Many developers start with small ideas but struggle to grow them. Scaling a tiny code project can improve your income and impact. Here's how you can turn small projects into significant profits. Start by identifying your project. What problem does it solve? Next, validate your idea with potential users. Gather feedback to refine your concept. Once you have feedback, create a minimum viable product, or MVP. An MVP allows you to launch quickly. Remember, aim for function over perfection initially. Next, focus on marketing. Use social media to showcase your project. Reach out to communities that might benefit from your solution. Engaging with users helps improve visibility. After launching, gather user data. Monitor usage and adapt your product accordingly. Identify what features users love and prioritize those. As you grow, consider scaling your team. Collaborate with designers, marketers, or other developers. This will allow you to enhance your project and speed up development. Consider monetization strategies, too. Subscription models, ads, or in-app purchases can generate revenue. Choose the model that aligns with your audience. Let's visualize this with a scenario. Imagine you created a simple app to track habits. You've launched it with an MVP. You gather feedback and find users love a social sharing feature. You then focus on refining and promoting this unique aspect, leading to rapid growth and increased profits. To summarize, identify your project, validate it, create an MVP, market effectively, gather data, scale your team, and monetize wisely. Each step builds on the last for growth. Ready to scale your tiny project? Begin today by taking that first step. Many developers hesitate at the thought of promoting their work effectively, fearing rejection or misunderstanding from potential users. However, engaging actively with your audience is crucial, as these connections can bring valuable insights. One practical tip is to host webinars or live demos showcasing your project. This not only highlights your product's features but also allows users to ask questions in real time, fostering a sense of community and connection. By addressing hesitations directly, you can build trust with your audience, paving the way for greater acceptance of your solution. Another effective strategy is to create user-generated content. Encourage your users to share their experiences or testimonials about your product. This not only provides social proof to potential customers but also deepens the engagement within your community. Recognizing and featuring your users' stories can significantly enhance the visibility of your project and create champions who advocate for your app. Remember, when users see real people benefiting from your solution, it nurtures a stronger connection and encourages others to join in. To further cement your project's presence in the market, consider leveraging partnerships with influencers or other creators in your niche. Collaborations can open new audiences and create buzz around your project. By aligning with like-minded individuals, you can tap into their credibility and expand your reach organically. A well-planned partnership not only brings in fresh perspectives but also enhances your brand image. Don't underestimate the power of cross-promotion. It can lead to synergistic growth that benefits all involved parties. As you embark on this journey, remember that persistence is key, so stay committed to your vision while adapting to the feedback you receive. While all these strategies are vital, it's equally important to maintain consistent communication with your users. Regularly update them about new features, improvements, or upcoming changes is essential. Consider utilizing newsletters or dedicated communication channels to keep your audience in the loop. Transparency can further cultivate loyalty, as users appreciate knowing the direction of your project and seeing that their feedback is valued. Additionally, this ongoing dialogue fosters a strong community around your product, encouraging long-term engagement and enhancing user retention. Ultimately, satisfied users are more likely to become advocates for your project, driving organic growth. By focusing on user engagement and building a strong community, you create a supportive environment for your project's growth. In conclusion, by following these steps, engaging with users, embracing feedback, and fostering community, you set the foundation for your code project to flourish. As you continue on your journey, remember that each endeavor builds upon the last, propelling you toward greater success and sustainability. Now, take action and watch your project thrive.